Alright, so today, real quick, I'm going to show you the bar none best credit card to get in June 2021 for all the good things like sign-up bonus, reward points, everything else. Let's get right into it. My name's Daniel Kohanowitz, or Dan Kohan as I'm known on YouTube, and I'm going to get right into it. I'm not going to jerk your chain with a bunch of other credit cards or anything like that. I'm just going to get into, if I had to go and get one credit card right now, what is the best credit card overall on the market today that I would want to get. So if I was to get one card and only one right now, it would be 100% for sure the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. Now, if that's all you needed to make a decision, go ahead and click the link in the description below to go ahead and get this card. It'll send you right to the page to apply. If you need a little bit more convincing, let me tell you. So if you sign up right now as of June 2021, you are actually going to get 80,000 sign-up bonus points. This is almost the largest reward available for a card like this, and those points are actually worth $1,000 when redeemed through the Chase Rewards store. You're also going to get a $50 statement credit, and you're going to get 2x points on dining and travel. You're going to get a 1-to-1 point transfer with other reward cards. You're going to get a $0 delivery fee service from DoorDash. You're going to get $60 back on your Peloton membership if you're interested in that. And all you have to do to get all of these cool benefits, which is pretty much just the massive reward bonus for just signing up for the card, is spend $4,000 within 3 months, guys. That's only about $1,333 a month. And just pay the $95 annual fee. And guys, remember with this card, after you get the sign-up bonus, you can just downgrade the card to a lower level, and you actually won't have to pay the fee past the first year. So guys, for only $95, you're gonna get about $1,050 right off the bat, not even including the rewards points you're gonna get back just for spending money on the card. You're gonna get about $1,050 for spending $95 and just signing up for a card in about 10 minutes, guys. It's a no-brainer. So if you want to go ahead and grab this card, please click the link in the description. It'll help me out a little bit for helping you with this video, and you can get an awesome card that you're going to make a ton of extra money on just for signing up and getting qualified and spending the money you would have normally spent with the card. Go ahead and smash the like button, sign up for the Chase Sapphire Preferred, and if you want another video, check this one out to actually check out the other cards available right now and how to actually credit card turn. Check out the videos right here. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Thank you. Have a good day.